Have you updated Windows 11 and suddenly the search bar stopped working? When I click search, nothing happened. No apps, no files, no settings. Just a blank search window. I tried almost every common fix. I restart my PC, I restart Windows Search, I ran SFC, I ran DISM, I rebuilt the search index. Nothing fixed the problem. Then I tried one last method. I repaired Windows using official Windows 11 ISO. The best part, I did not lose my files and installed apps. And the search bar start working again. Let me show you exactly what I did. This is what your PC look like when you are facing this issue. Nothing appeared. Typing also showing nothing. If your search bar look like this, follow these steps. Step 1. Open your browser. Search for Windows 11 download. Open Microsoft official website. Download the latest Windows 11 ISO. The download is large so it may take some time. Step 2. After the download is finished, I recommend mounting the ISO using PowerShell. On my PC, right-clicking the ISO and choosing Mount worked, but File Explorer took so much time to respond. It looked like it had frozen. Using PowerShell was much easier. Open PowerShell as administrator and type the following command. Replace the path with the location of your ISO file. Press enter. After a few seconds, open this PC. You will see a new DVD drive. Open it, double click setup.exe. Step 3. Windows setup will now open. Click next, accept the license agreement. Now check one important thing. Make sure it says keep personal files and apps. This is very important. Do not continue if this option is not selected. Step 4. Now click install. Your computer will restart several times. Do not turn it off. Just wait for Windows to finish repairing itself. This usually takes around 20 to 40 minutes. It's time for result. After Windows finished installing, I clicked the search button, everything worked again. The search bar opened instantly, app appeared, file appeared, settings also appeared. The problem was completely fixed. Important note, I'm not saying this should be the first fix everyone tries. Simple fixes like restarting Windows Search, running SFC or DISM may solve the problem for many people. But if you already have tried those methods and nothing worked, this repair method fixed the problem on my PC without deleting my files or installed apps. If this video really worked for you, let me know in comments. Also tell me which Windows 11 version you are using. Your comment may help other people with the same problem. If you enjoy simple Windows fixes that actually work, consider subscribing. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.